Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to back up your Atomic wallet. Backing up your Atomic wallet is crucial to protect your funds in case you lose access to your device. So here is how you do it. First of all, open up the Atomic Wallet app and make sure to sign in. Once you are logged into your wallet, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, click on Security. Now tap on Private Keys and Backup. Enter your password for your Atomic wallet to get to the next step. Now tap on Show Private Keys. Remember that you should never share your 12 words or private keys with anyone. Do not paste it into unknown apps or website, since this may result in loss of your funds. Tap the little square box at the bottom to ensure you've read and understood, and then tap on Show Private Keys. Now, you can view your private key for a particular cryptocurrency. If you want to back up your 12-word phrases, simply tap on 12-word backup phrase option from the list. You will then be able to see your 12-word backup phrase along with your QR code. To reveal your backup phrases, tap on Show My Backup Phrase, and you can then tap on the Copy button at the bottom in order to copy your mnemonic phrases to the clipboard. Once you do that, go ahead and write down or paste in the seed phrases in a safe place away from prying eyes. By following these steps, you will have a reliable backup of your Atomic wallet, protecting your cryptocurrencies from potential loss or theft. That's how you back up your wallet on Atomic Wallet application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.